Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. And here you want to click on your profile on the upper left corner of your screen. And then click on settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. Then scroll down until you see delete account. So just go ahead and click delete account. So here you can just put your username or email, or you can use your phone number. After that, you just want to put your password. And here just need to wait because Snapchat will send you a code. So as you can see here in the lower part of my screen, there's this code. It is 015975. So let's just wait. And then here you can just go ahead and type your password again for confirmation. And you can now click continue. Sorry. So I just need to type the right password. Okay. And so once you type the password, your account is now deactivated. So in 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you'd like to activate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.